Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Saili, and without wasting any further time, let's get into today's video. So today's video is something a little special and close to my heart. I recently went to attend my far cousin's wedding and I was honestly so excited for it. It had been years since I met so many of my relatives and I was really looking forward to that whole experience. Also, going to a small town after living in a city for so long just feels so different in the best way possible. There's a certain warmth and simplicity that you don't really get in city life. And one thing I really loved was the Marathi vibe there. Like everyone around me was speaking Marathi, everyone felt like family, and there was just this sense of belonging that I usually don't feel in the city where people speak so many different languages. I know it might sound a little silly, but it genuinely made me so happy and comfortable. And because of that, I didn't really record much and I was just living in the moment and enjoying every bit of it. Here is just a small clip of me dancing in the wedding. So honestly, by the end of it, I was super tired. There was so much traveling, outfit changes, dancing, and just constant movement. It was really fun but also exhausting. So coming back home after all of that felt so nice and relaxing. Just finally getting to rest, it hit different. So today's special part of the video is me cooking. I honestly don't go into the kitchen that often. I need a lot of motivation for it, just like studying. But once I actually start, I'm pretty confident that I'll cook something really tasty. So let's see how it turns out. And the problem with the young adults is that we actually cook very tasty food, but then we take a lot of time. So this clip that I've uploaded here, it's in 4x. So imagine how slow I was peeling at that moment. Here is some peeled off garlic. Now I'll put this into this, and some jeera, the spice box that we have at our home, all in one spice box. Now I'll take some jeera and put it into this, and this is then I'll grind it. Grind. I think it needs more garlic. Some chopped garlic. Sorry, this is some chopped onion and mashed garlic with jeera. Now I'll put the gas on with the oil and then cook it. So over here I was actually supposed to keep the mashed potato ready, but then of course I forgot, and then later when it was time to put in the all the ingredients, then it struck me that I have to still mash the potato. So I left everything and then first mashed it and then got back to cooking the sabji. So actually burned the garlic, and in that moment I was fully in denial. I was like, no, this is fine. It's just going to be that perfect crispy golden brown garlic. Trust the process. But then slowly it started turning darker and darker, and I just stood there watching it like this cannot be happening. And suddenly I was like, wait, this is not crispy, this is burned. So I panicked and tried to save it at the last second, doing whatever I could, but somehow my pure luck or maybe talent, I don't even know, the final dish actually turned out really good and tasted amazing. Oh yeah, so I forgot to reveal what I was trying to make, and I was actually going to have it for snacks, but then I ended up taking so much time that I ate it for dinner. And I know it's unhealthy to eat that kind of stuff at night because your dinner should be very light, but then once for a while it's fine. Okay, I forgive myself for that. So I was making sandwich, and the aloo sabji that we make, the stuffing inside the bread is fully ready. Now I was just supposed to take bread and make sandwiches. Yeah. So actually here my mom warned me that the sandwich maker is really hot, so don't touch it. So I just dropped the sandwich into it. So yeah. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed throughout the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to watch these kind of fun videos in my life, and I hope you all enjoyed.